Aasalamualaikum guys. In this video we are learning about what we already learned. That is the escape sequence. That is the component of leech rolls. Leech rolls is completely being taught by me to you guys. So don't be forgotten to watch those videos which you have selected to watch. So here now demonstration of the escape sequence is. As I told you earlier, backslash is the special character, also called as escape character. As same as I print here, if I want to print here, single backslash with, let's say, threat, threat, and end it with quotes, also the parenthesis, it will be printed as ret, because I told you in the theoretical part that slash after the slash value it will be ignored. Here how the T is ignored. It just printed as ret. So if I want in double, so if I want in double slash, let's say what happened, same at the same thing. It will be printed as slash ret because it is only one letter would be after ignored by the program, by the interpreter, because slash is the escape character, as I told you earlier. Here if the third line of the program slash is trying to escape the front slash, that is not possible for the interpreter because slash is also called, the two slash is also called escape character, because both of those are the same way, the same thing they do, so they can't be able to do twice at the same time. So what I means that this only one slash will be executed at a time. Here only one slash is executed. It wants to execute with another front value, that is the slash also, it won't be because it is two slash, the same character of the escape sequence, escape character. So here now I wanted to print I will, then what it would be there, I, okay, slash slash with quote 1 ill, what it would be printed. Oh, I just forgotten to end with quotes, so let's print it here also the same way. So here I forgotten the quotation, that's why it throws an error. So I will, it's mean I will. So here's how you implement the program. So the third one is the slash double quote. So how we implement this, let's say print, for example, C. We are using Python, but we are using the keyword C++, using the word as C++. Just want it here as a slash with double quote. Okay, guys, with also the double quotes, double quotes, ended with parentheses. Double, oh my god, I forgotten here a slash and a double quote and parentheses. Let's say it is printed as double quote C++, because I told you earlier slash after the value would be ignored, slash after the value would be ignored. It is printed as double quote with C++. So here's how you implement the slash with double quotes. So the third component of escape sequence is slashion. Slashion is to print a new line. So let's say Python. for what we are using, that I want to use here. Python, okay, comma, slash n, okay, also with double quote, slash n also with double quote, comma, language, Python language, Python with the new line language. Here's how you implement the third component of the escape sequence. The fourth thing is print. Okay, print. Wanted to create a tab here, so I want to copy here the same thing. Copy, and it's being printed here. And I just wanted to be close with parenthesis. And here I want to slash n except slash t. I want to print slash t here. That's that. It will be printed with the space tab. Python language. So thank you guys for being with me. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you very much for watching this video.